Your website is getting a lot of traffic, but then you have low to zero conversions. Hi, I'm Francis from Ecom Talk Point, and today we are going to discuss why you have a lot of visitors on your website that do not lead to sales or service bookings. There are three possible reasons why your website visitors do not convert. Number one, your website takes too long to load. Number two, you don't give what you promise on the ad. And number three, you're targeting the wrong people for your ad or your service. Let's start with the first one. Your web page takes too long to load. According to Forbes, most website visitors abandon a page if it does not load within 3 seconds. Now, how do you fix this? There are certain things that you need to look at. Number one, make sure that the images on your page are lighter and load much faster. You can compress your images using free tools like TinyPNG, among other image compression tools. Number two, you want to try to reduce the distractions on your page. You might have pop-ups that you count as offers, like discount offers. You might have widgets hanging on the page. This might be good for your business, but then they increase the load time of your page. Every element on a page is considered an item that has to be requested from the server, and it will take longer for these items to load. Number two, you are not giving your clients whatever you promise on your ad. Most people have the tendency of promising a huge discount in the advert, but when a customer lands on a page, they find something different. Let's say I was selling this phone here, and I tell someone I'm going to give you a 50% discount on this device, which appears very, very good to a potential client. But when they land on your page, they realize that you're only giving a 5% discount. This client will feel deceived, and the only thing they can do at this point is leave the page. Other things that people do that might hurt potential client is selling fake products. You promise, you advertise a genuine product, but on your page you find that the product that you're advertising is different from what you actually offer on your website. So that messes up the client trust, and they leave the page as soon as they notice the game you're trying to play. Number three, which is one of the most important thing, is that you've got your targeting wrong, or you are trying to sell your product or service to people who are not interested. When you're selling a product or a service, make sure that the people you try to sell it to are interested or can use it. There's no way you're going to sell something like a men's shoe to a lady unless it is a gift to somebody else. So your targeting might mess up your ad. So make sure that you do a deep research, find the right location where your client come from, their interests, and make sure that your targeting matches the interests of the people that you are trying to sell to. Once you fix these three things, you're definitely going to see an improvement in the type of in conversions or in the performance of your potential adverts or campaigns that you set up, whether it is Google ads or it is Facebook or Meta ads. If you find this video helpful, like it, share it with a friend who runs a business, and make sure that you subscribe for more content on marketing and how to make your business perform at a higher level and improve your increase your income. Number three, but okay. Number three, which is also one of the most important thing, is that what is number three again?